Good evening and welcome to Jim Only's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for June 3rd to the 15th. For the period June 3rd to the 17th, June 3rd to the 7th, I had a sneeze. Models are agreeing on the pattern featuring an East Pacific ridge that we have right here during this period and a western trough with a low amplitude flow across the nation. The greatest departures from normal during this period is from the central and southern plains on day 3 with anomalies of 10 to 20 degrees above normal, and northern and central California with anomalies of 10 to 15 degrees above normal late in the period. The northern plains should experience temperatures of at least 10 degrees below normal late in the period. Now we're going to look at the period for June 6th to the 10th. Most of the models and ensembles are depicting large positive height anomalies across this region here and across much of the nation, and they still hold on to the upper low or trough over the western Atlantic. We're looking at the GFS right now, and then we're going to look at the European ensembles, the deterministics, and this is the European ensembles, all generally the same. Now, one thing I want to note is that most of the models forecast a trough from Canada extending into the northern Rockies. Now, what I want to show you is the European ensembles as we go further into the period is more aggressive with the below normal heights, as you can see right here, extending from Canada into the northern Rockies, northern plains. And the GFS is to know, look at this, what we have here as we go, this is the 10th, and we have a large area below normal heights here. So those are the differences in the models. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures across this area and above normal temperatures across this region. For precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation across this area. Now for the period for June 11th to the 15th. So now we're going to go to the 11th. I don't want to cut off too much here. This is the GFS. The GFS still has below normal heights here. Most of the models still holding on to positive height anomalies here and across Canada. And still we see evidence of a trough here in the northwest. That's the GFS. We're going to go forward in time. And the GFS gets deeper with the negative height anomalies here. Now the European ensembles has still below normal heights here, large positive height anomalies in the Gulf of Alaska extending off the west coast, and we still have above normal heights here. See, that's the difference. See these large positive height anomalies, a ridge, a trough, and then we have a ridge here in the east. Now, for this period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures for this region. And for precipitation, forecasting below normal precipitation here and above normal precipitation for this region. So that is the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 3rd to the 15th. Thank you for coming to Jim Only's World of Weather, and have a good day.